Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have really casual video. I'm looking a little bit tired, I'm sorry, and we are also in the basement unit of our building, so the background won't be very pretty, but it's gonna be really interesting. For those who don't know, we own a little soap shop with Nicholas and we really love what we're doing. We're making a zero waste, natural, handmade soap without any chemicals, and today I'll show you how we do it. And if you are interested, please stay until the end and you might learn a lot of new things, and maybe I'll inspire you to make your own soap. Who knows? If you're new here, this channel is about sustainability and minimalism, two things I'm really passionate about. Soap making business appeared because of my love to sustainability and zero waste product. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you. Let's get started with making a live water. To make live water, I'm gonna have to step outside because a steam from live water is dangerous for the eyes and skin, so I'm wearing goggles and mask and gloves. Now live will get really hot, so we're gonna have to put it aside to cool down. Okay, the worst part is done. Now we're gonna mix some oils into oil blend. Okay, I've got my oils. Let's mix them up. I'm sorry I don't have a lot of professional gear. I have some, but not everything. So some of it gonna look weird. We'll start with olive oil. Now coconut oil. Now we're gonna put some palm oil. I just want to let you know that we have a palm oil that has a certification that it was responsibly sourced. Next one is almond oil. And the last one is a castor oil. So now I'm taking this to the stove to warm it up and mix it up. Alright, it's day 2 of soap making process. Our soap is set now and we can cut it. It's always really interesting and exciting to see how the soap turned out because you don't really know until you cut it. I hope it still looks good. I'm very excited and I'm worried just a little bit. I'm always just a little bit anxious before I cut the soap. So let's see what we've got. So this is how it looks. It's solid now. Okay, now let's pull it out. All right. It's not terrible. I wish I could have done swirls, but I ran out of time, so this is how it's gonna look. Alright, let's cut it and see how it looks inside. We'll cut it with this shape. I don't want it to be just straight this time. So this is actually a mistake. It should have been you know, colored. Some of the chunks are just got too solid and I couldn't color them, but it doesn't look bad. Happens sometimes, just don't tell anybody. Ooh, I like it. Kind of simple. I've been enjoying to cut these little corners and it looks so clean and nice. So that's what I'm gonna do for this soap as well. All right, that's it. Have these smooth corners. Have this beautiful top. Very manly soap. It smells manly too. I don't know what that scent is, but it smells like a guy. Let's repeat that approximately like 30 times. Okay, so this is it. We got it done. I made it 2 different sizes, a little bigger, a little smaller, so people have choice to get what they need. So now they're gonna be sitting on top of our counters like those for 6 weeks before we can sell them. This is it. Thank you so much for being here today for our soap making video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I hope I'll see you here again. Thank you so much. Bye.